All right, everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. So just quick announcement. Yesterday's video topic was brought to you by Ari Jones. And today, another question from Alex. Question about my apprenticeship, so I wanted to answer that for him. Maybe it'll help you out as well. So he had some questions here. When you were an apprentice for a non-union company prior to joining the union, did I have credited hours and schooling provided? So before I started my apprenticeship, I only worked for like 4 days, so that was probably like 30 hours or so. So those 30 hours that I worked previously, starting to my apprenticeship, did count towards my 8,000 hours. I think the school that I went to, I think you could transfer like 2,000 hours or something like that, if you had previous work hours to your apprenticeship. And then the second part of that was schooling provided. So the schooling I paid for myself, which was about $1,000 a year, and with a lab maybe $1,250 a year. So it was pretty cheap. So that was out of my pocket. Some companies that I worked for, or some companies that are in the non-union apprenticeship, will pay for your schooling. The companies that I work for did not. And then also Alex was asking, is it strictly hands-on learning? So the school that I went to was basically all book learning, except for the labs, which was like once or twice a year. And those were like residential wiring, pipe bending, transformers, stuff like that. So all the hands-on work that I did was at my job. So basically go to school 1 day a week after work for like 4 hours. So 1 day of the week is really long. Basically you go to work full time. So the work that I did counted towards my journeyman license. So for the 8,000 hours that I need to complete the program, 40 hours a week, it takes about 4 years to complete. But the hands-on learning was during my job, which I got paid for during the work week, and then the schooling 1 night a week was basically just the book learning. And then I think there was one or two more questions. Did I study on my own time and take the journeyman's exam? So no, I went to school for the 4 to 5 years to have the knowledge to take the test, and then as well working those 4 to 5 years as well, at the same time getting both the hands-on learning and the book knowledge to take the test. That pretty much wraps it up. So hopefully this helps you out a little bit on the apprenticeship that I went through. Like I said, 40 hours a week, basically working full-time as a apprentice, and then going to school 1 night a week for the 4 hours or less, depending on the teacher that night. But anyways, yeah, that's pretty much it. And if you have any other further questions that I did not answer, or if you have any other further questions, drop in the comments below and I can answer those for you. Or worst case, I can make another video. But anyways, hopefully this helped you guys out. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. As always, if you enjoyed, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. It would help the channel grow, and I'd love to see you guys back in the next video. Check the description down below for anything else, especially the first link down below, the Linktree link. It's going to have pretty much all you need as far as social media and other goodies, my second YouTube channel, gaming and stuff like that. And then hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Thanks guys so much. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Appreciate the support as always. Love you guys. Peace out.